23rd. And let's go ahead and try to put this down. Hopefully the water won't knock it down. I'm not sure. It's waterproof anyways, but the camera's waterproof. Still, I'll try to put it a little bit farther away, but you might not hear my voice. Anyways, I was down here underwater. The water's hot. It's jacuzzi. Down here underwater. And well, I mean, since I just got out of work, I'm still sleepy. So lo and behold, it's the second time this happened. It was the first time it happened today. But I went underwater, try to get the hot water around my face area. And lo and behold, I'm sucking in water through my nose. And I didn't feel it for that split second that something woke me up and said, "Hey, what are you doing? You're asleep. You fell asleep underwater." Because I had lost total control of my movement in my face, so my nose started breathing water. And that's when I snapped and I came up coughing. It was just for that split second, but just that split second, if I would have said, "No, I'm just dreaming," and I would have stayed in that dream, I would have drowned. I would have drowned in 3 feet of water. That's the weird thing about this, about the deal of working nights, and then you come into the gym and you exercise for a little while and your body is pretty much exhausted. And you come into the jacuzzi, you're already falling asleep, but you're thinking the water's gonna wake you up. You said, "No, the water's warm. Water won't wake you up when it's warm. It'll wake you up if it's cold, but not warm. Actually, it won't wake you up if it's hot." But I did my head underwater, and I can feel myself going into a dream. And I start breathing through my nose, and I start breathing water pretty much. I'm soaking up water into my lungs. Immediately, within a second or so, within 1 second, I'm waking up and bringing my head back up just to flush all the water out of my nose. I'm coughing and griping and realizing that this is dangerous. It's not good to go to a jacuzzi. The jacuzzi is hot water. Yeah, it's comfortable. I'm not gonna complain. It is comfortable. But you can't be inside of a jacuzzi if you're falling asleep. If I would have allowed that dream to commence and take over, yes, I would have been dreaming. But at the same time, I would have been drowning. And there's no more coming back from life. Once you're dead, you ain't coming back anymore. That split second pretty much makes you realize, like, oh, wait, you're not dreaming, you're drowning. So I bounced my head up and started pushing all the excess water that I had in my lungs out of here. The coughing, and it's not a good feeling. Anyways, that was my take for this little incident here at the jacuzzi. I don't want to get out yet, and I'm not gonna stick my head underwater. If I feel that I'm gonna fall asleep again, I'll just get out of the jacuzzi, maybe get into a swimming pool. The swimming pool is a little bit cooler, but it is heated up right now due to our recent severe winter storms that we've had here within central and southern Texas. But still, it's something to think about. More than likely, I'll as soon as the timer goes out, I'm gonna try and see if I can get in the pool. If the pool's too cold for me, that's it. It'll be time to go home anyway. So actually, I got 45 minutes left, so I'm still gonna relax here in the jacuzzi because it is warm water, or it's pretty much hot. But I'm gonna stand by right here and see what happens. If I don't see you all for today, you all have a good day. Maintain your social distancing. Keep those masks on, and don't get sick. And have a happy and safe Tuesday.